Hello, I just wanted to show Yosemite 10.10.4 VM FusionWare 7.1.2 and Openstep 4.2 here. And there's the configuration I'm using: just default VGA, the PS2 mouse, the AMC PCNet 32 PCI Ethernet driver. I couldn't find supported SCSI or audio, and I'm using the EIDE dual channel driver. The mouse seems to work fine. It's not really jumpy, so I didn't install the aftermarket driver. I mean, this seems to work fine for me. And if you go here, this is a configure.app, by the way. The primary, secondary, dual EID and TAPI device driver seems to work good, and I found that on the beta floppy driver. So I hope that helps. And today's August 8th, 2015. Thanks.